Now that you know what crypto is and where it's traded, it's time to zoom in and see how trades actually happen, starting with trading pairs. Then looking at the differences between spot and futures. Now that you know what cryptocurrencies are and where they are traded, let's break down how the actual trading happens. Every trade happens between two assets, what we call a trading pair. For example, BTC USDT is a trading pair. It shows the price of Bitcoin measured in Tether, a stable coin linked to the US dollar. The first part, BTC, is the base currency. It's what you're buying or selling. The second part is USDT. It's the quote currency. It's what the price is measured in. When you place a buy order on BTC USDT, you are buying Bitcoin using USDT. When you sell, you are selling Bitcoin to receive USDT. You are always exchanging one currency for another, buying one and selling the other. Spot trading is the most basic form of trading. You buy and sell actual cryptocurrencies, and they are transferred to your account instantly after the trade. This means that right after your order is filled, you own the actual cryptocurrency in your wallet, ready to hold, withdraw, or trade further. It's simple. You pay the current market price and you own the asset. You buy zero point 0.1 Bitcoin, it shows up in your wallet. You hold it until you decide to sell it later. Spot trading is easier and safer for beginners because you're only risking what you own. No borrowing money, no extra risks. Even if the price of a coin drops 90% or more, you still hold that coin. It's just worth less. But it's still in your account and you can wait or sell it when you're ready. Futures trading is more advanced and risky. If you're new, don't start here yet. Just learn the basics for now. With futures, you're not buying actual crypto. You're trading contracts based on price movement. This lets you go long, betting that the price will go up, or go short, betting that the price will go down. That's how you can profit even if the market is dropping. Futures also let you use leverage, meaning you can trade with more than you actually have. And that's the risky part. For example, with a 10x leverage, $1,000 lets you control a $10,000 trade. That means a 1% moves becomes a 10% gain or 10% loss if it goes the wrong way. If the price moves too far against you, the exchange will liquidate your position, automatically closing it and taking the money you used to open the trade. Unlike spot trading, where you still own the coin even if it crashes. In futures, you don't keep the asset and it's not worth less, but a strong move against you on futures can wipe out your trade or even your whole account completely. Yikes! Experienced traders use futures to trade both directions and with more flexibility. But without a solid strategy and risk control, it's easy to lose money fast. For now, we'll focus on spot trading. It's safer and perfect for building your foundation. So that's the difference between spot and futures. Spot is simple, direct, and safer. Perfect for beginners. In the next video, we'll show you the actual tools you'll use to place your trades, like market and limit orders, and how they help you stay in control.